How can we copy any workflow we see online with just a few clicks without needing lengthy explanations? Before we continue, note the description has a free training and a paid course. That's exactly what I'm getting at. Following a full tutorial to create automation isn't the same as importing a ready-made workspace, right? Part of using n8n is the ability to customize automation for different scenarios. Using generic workspaces without adapting them reduces our chances of truly learning this useful tool. Got it? That said, I'll show you how to do it. That's what this tutorial is about. But first, a warning. We're going to find an n8n workflow where someone explains it in detail. It's crucial that the person explains the workflow thoroughly. For instance, in this workspace, the guy later explains each step and his decision-making process. Basically, we'll click show more, then show transcript, then the three dots, and toggle timestamps off. Then we'll copy all the video's text. Now, once we're in Claude, okay? It must be Claude. We'll say generate the n8n workflow and provide a JSON file code. It's vital to use Claude, as other AI like ChatGPT don't work well for this, got it? So we copy the transcript here and click submit. It tells us we need a Google Cloud project, OAuth 2.0 credentials for Gemini, Sheets, Drive, and token access. Now let's grab this workflow, alright? We'll save it, then go to this create workflow video and import it. After creating a new workflow, click import from file, select the JSON, and there you have it. Here's a quick look at the workflow. It's a bit messy in this case. Sometimes it'll look better, sometimes worse, but we've got most modules set up. Many variables are already defined, okay? Just so you know. A lot of the errors we're getting are simply due to not selecting the right credentials, as you can see. Another important aspect is the agents, but this is just because the agent isn't set up correctly. We just click add node AI agent, okay? Then we just link the model, which in this case will be Gemini, alright? You can see there are two AI agents and that's it. It hasn't worked perfectly this time, but results may vary. We have a foundation now, okay? I'd like to show you the guy's final workspace so you can see what we've replicated, all right? There it is with the agent, schedule timer, and more, and there we have the schedule timer. This is basically, you can almost link it like this. There you go. And the agent goes towards the end, right? So, as I said, it may work sometimes and not others, but that's how it functions, okay? Thank you very much. One.